Python programming language. Arrays. Explore Python's array module, its uses, limitations, and efficiency. Python arrays from the array module and require fixed data types, unlike lists. Lists offer more flexibility, but arrays can be useful in specific scenarios. Arrays in Python. Initialized using the array function, requiring a type code to specify the data type. This ensures all elements of the same type. Elements in arrays are accessed and modified using index positions, starting from 0. This allows direct manipulation of array data. Arrays support operations like slicing for subaries, concatenation for joining, and iteration using loops. These operations are fundamental for data manipulation. Arrays, more memory efficient than lists due to their fixed data types, reducing overhead. This makes them suitable for handling large datasets efficiently. Arrays are ideal for numerical data processing but offer limited flexibility compared to lists. They are not suitable for mixed data types due to their fixed type nature. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.